Okay, so here's how you can use Camtasia to edit the audio of your videos. Now, once you open the app, you have here a green button. It says Import Media. And when you click on it, it's how you can import the video you want to edit. So I have this video over here, and let's just drag it onto the timeline down here and click play.
Hi, so I'm purposely recording this video with a very soft voice just so that I can show you how we can edit the audio of your videos.
Okay, so as you can see down here, we can move this cursor from left to right just so we can see the whole of our video clip on the timeline. Now we have this marker, and this is something that wherein you position anywhere on the timeline and you can play your video from that particular position.
Just so that I can show you.
So for this video, I want to kind of split portions or like sections of the video and make them louder compared to the other sections of the video. Now this is very useful, especially whenever you want to kind of mute parts of your video, or maybe make the volume louder because maybe it's a bit too quiet. So yeah, so from here you can click on your video clip, and to edit parts of it, like sections of it, you just right click, split at playhead. So that splits your video, and that allows you to edit just sections of your video without affecting the other parts of your video. So for example, I can just play and
the audio of your videos.
So for example, I want to cut it here as well. So right click and split at playhead. Now, if I zoom out a bit, you'll see that I have 3 sections now. It's like split into 3 parts. And as I've said, I kind of want to make the middle portion like sound louder compared to the others. And the way to do that is to click on that particular section, and up here there's like a speaker kind of icon. It says audio properties, and here you'll see the gains cursor. So you can drag this left and right. The higher the percentage, the louder that particular section will be, and of course the lower it is, the quieter it gets as well. So if it's 0, that means it's muted. So I kind of want to make it louder compared to the others, so I'll put it in 250%. And then if we listen to it, so I'll start
with a very soft voice, just so that I can show you how we can edit the audio of your videos using a video.
So I'm not sure if you heard how loud that made it different. So if it's not loud enough compared to the other parts, what I would usually do is click on the other parts. So I'll click on the third section, and then up here I'll just bring it down to say 20. I'll do the same for the first part, so that's 20. So now when you play it from here,
just so that I can show you how we can edit the audio of your videos using a video editor.
So that's how you kind of control the volume of every section of your video. Now, if you're happy with that, you can just click export and then save it on your local computer. And that's how you kind of play with the audio. Now, Camtasia is a paid app, and if you do use the trial, it has 30 days free trial. If you use the trial, whenever you export, there's going to be a watermark on top of your videos. And if you really want to use it for video editing, you can always just purchase it and then you'll get a lot of, you know, effects or all sorts of video editing features. So yeah, hopefully this helps, and good luck editing. Bye.